Selfie sticks let you capture amazing photos of yourself that would be impossible to take without having freakishly long arms or risking dropping your phone. They're also an excellent way of capturing your whole crew while simultaneously ruining the photos of every tourist around you who doesn't have a selfie stick of their own. Their lack of travel accessories isn't your problem, however. So let's get straight to finding out the best selfie stick to buy right now. Number 1, FugeTech 51-inch. Professional Selfie Stick Tripod. FugeTech is yet another good brand choice if you want to check out some cool smartphone accessories, like tripods, ring lights, mounts, and much more. Speaking of this particular selfie stick cum tripod stand, it holds the second position in this list because of its lightweight yet sturdy construction, and affordable pricing. Although you will find only 3 expandable sections on this tripod, you can adjust its height from 19 inches to 51 inches effortlessly. All 4 sections do come with quick flip locks to make the tripod stay locked at a certain height. Speaking of adjustability, the head of the tripod can also be adjusted up to 90 degrees in either direction for taking vertical shots. Even at the max length or height, it stays stable, thanks to its overall aluminum construction. At the bottom of the stick, you get a rubber handle to grab this selfie stick with a comfortable and good grip. On the handle, you will find a detachable Bluetooth remote which easily connects to any iOS or Android device seamlessly. Hence, taking pictures from a distance is not a problem either, as long as you stay within a 10 meters radius. Pros: seamless Bluetooth connection, decent build quality, 4 levels of height adjustments, 300 hours standby. Cons: phone holder quality is average. Number 2, Erligpout Extendable Selfie Stick Tripod. Coming over to the next product, this selfie stick tripod from Erligpout store is a great pick for anyone out there who doesn't want to spend much. Looking at its design and construction, we can only say that it's fantastic, and finding something similar for such a good price would be hard. If you like vlogging with your phone, this selfie stick has a decent phone mount, ideals for almost all devices up to 3-4 inch wide, and keeps your phone secure all the time. Moreover, you can extend its length from 7-6 inches to 34 inches, which is great. Extending it is pretty easy as you simply need to pull the stick slowly towards the outside. The rod of this selfie stick tripod is built of aluminium metal, which makes it stay stable. And yes, it doesn't even bend like any cheap plastic selfie stick. The head of the selfie stick is fully adjustable and can be moved in any direction or angle. Speaking of other features, the Bluetooth remote function is also there, which works quite decently up to a range of 10 meters. The Erligpout selfie stick is cheap and functional, period. It's also compatible with both Android and iPhone devices. Pros: affordable pricing, compact size, decent build quality, corrosion resistant. Cons: feels slightly heavy. Number 3, Atomtech Bluetooth Extendable Selfie Stick. From head to toe, the Atomtech is built with lightweight yet quality materials and design. While we would have loved to see a screw tightening attachment system, the spring-based cell phone holder was easy to use and held up to our shake test without any movement or holding failure. It offers a standard slew of features, including a tripod and a shutter remote, which were simple, functional, and durable. What truly made it stand out was the quality of construction in extending or stowing the stick. When extended, the telescopic sections didn't wiggle in the slightest while performing the shake and the drop test, which was a rarity in this review. The stowed profile was similar to the profile of an electric toothbrush, easily fitting into any piece of luggage, purse, or hiking bag we used during testing. Lastly, the durability of this product was unwavering, which we found surprising given its low weight. The Atomtech has an extension of about 31.3 inches, which is better than many products in this review, but some will still find this limiting in the photos they take. It's best for cell phone photographers looking for a model they can keep with them at all times while traveling. Pros: compact design, durable and lightweight, folds down into a small profile, 3-year warranty. Cons: can't use as a tripod when extended fully. Number 4, Bluehorn 40-inch aluminum selfie stick tripod. Like the previous one, Yinting has also collaborated with Bluehorn to produce this selfie stick tripod masterpiece for all of you. It's beautifully engineered and has an extremely good balance. No matter you use it while folded or extended, it always remains amazingly stable, all the way from 7-9 to 40 inches. The tripod legs are legitimately strong and acquire a good grip on any surface. On the other hand, the selfie stick itself feels quite of good quality, thanks to the aluminium rod, which is the main reason behind its rigidity and sturdiness. Being only 0.64 gs heavy, it feels very light to hold and you won't even notice it while carrying it in a bag. It boasts a Bluetooth detachable remote as well that works up to a distance of 10 meters, and has a shutter button and zoom in, zoom out buttons as well. The box also includes a mini USB charging cable which can be used to recharge the inbuilt battery of the remote. The amount of this selfie stick comes with a 1/4 inch screw that fits most cameras out there. Bottom line? Pros: ideal for both smartphones and cameras, fits all sizes of smartphones, 270-degree rotation, good compatibility. Cons: the remote battery is not long-lasting. Number 5. BZ 40-inch extendable selfie stick tripod. The BZ 40-inch extendable is a compact and versatile option. It can fold into a super portable profile and also offers a screw-tightened mount. 40 inches of extension and a tripod. With a mount adapter, it can accommodate other cameras than a cell phone, such as a GoPro, further increasing the versatility of a do-anything device. Its screw-tightening mount system securely held our devices, even during the entire duration of our shake test. As we carried this product around the mountains, we never felt that it was too bulky or heavy to bring along, regardless of the backpack used. Lastly, our drop tests revealed that the BZE was as durable as it was versatile. The BZE fits a lot in a relatively small package, but we found the tripod legs less inspiring on uneven ground. Additionally, there was a bit of wiggle in the telescoping extensions, though this may not be a concern for many users. With device mounting security being the priority, the BZE is best for those wanting a model that focuses on versatility and cell phone holding security. Pros: screw-tightened cell phone attachment, large extension, compatible with other small cameras. Cons: flimsy tripod legs.